Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about this Sandisk. This is a portable one. So if you guys own a Tesla, you guys know that it comes with 128 gigabyte for the Dashcam and the Sentry mode. So if you want, 128 is not much. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about this hard drive that they have, that Amazon has for, it shows here the regular price is $459, but currently it's on sale, and it says here the lowest price in the last 30 days to $139. That's like 70% off. And this is the speed that it can take to 1050 megabyte per second. Okay, so it uses USB 3.2, which is pretty fast, and this is Gen 2 right here. You can see the review for this is 4.5 out of 5, and it has over 39,000 reviews, so which is really good. So, and it costs $139. But for those of you out there who say, you know what, a little bit too much, I don't need 2 terabyte, you can get the 1 terabyte for $98, and that's the size of the hard drive itself. It's about shorter than 4 inches and a little bit over 2 inches. Thickness is 0.38, and that's what it's going to come with. There you go. And then you can use this to store your whatever you need, whatever the data. Okay, but in this case, if you can use this for your Tesla, as in, so that way it has more storage for your Sentry mode and also your dash cam. Okay. So if you're looking into expanding your storage, I think this would be great for those that are looking to expand. Also, I'm just curious, as I noticed that like the hard drive, the SSD has been decreased. The price has gone down like tremendously. So as you can see right here, this is a 4 terabyte, and it's only $200. I've never seen anything this low before. Okay, so if you're in the market for a hard drive SSD, right here, the speed is not bad, up to 3,500 megabit per second. And then you can do this for, if you're a photographer, you need more space. And not just only Best Buy that sells it, also B&H also has it for $199 as well. Okay, look at this one, 5 years warranty. Excellent, crucial, beautiful. Another one that they have is this brand right here. This is right now Newegg has it for $109, but with the $15 promo code here, it's gonna bring down to about $95. And this one, like, I think I made a video about this one already, but it was out of stock for a while, and now it's back. So if you missed it the last time, you can order it this time. And this one, I believe, it has 5 years warranty as well too. So yeah, for some reason, this is really good for a consumer like us. We need the price to go down on this one, because usually with the MacBook, it's like $256, 512, and this one, which is some of the desktop, I actually upgraded mine already from 256 to 1 terabyte, and I paid $131 for the brand, I think HK or something. But this one keep going down, it's really good, because we need more data. Everything's going to like 4K, 8K now. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys like the videos, you like the savings, and you love the savings, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more savings. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.